Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Today we are going to see the syllabus paper first and second for MBBS course. So here subject is biochemistry, that is medical biochemistry, and it is theory paper first and second. So today I am discussing with you about the first and second paper of the biochemistry for MBBS first year. So here the first chapter is physical aspects of biochemistry. In the paper first, we are discussing about the paper first, in which the first chapter is physical aspects of biochemistry. The second chapter is cellular structure and functions. The third chapter is chemistry of biomolecules. And fourth one is transport across membranes. Then fifth, chemistry of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids. These are the chief constituents of our body, in which the student has to study chemistry of carbohydrate, lipids, proteins and nucleic acid. The sixth chapter is radioisotopes and their application in medicine. Means that different radioisotopes which the student has to study and their application in the medicine. For example, radio gold. Okay, so here the seventh chapter is enzymology. The study of enzyme is known as enzymology, and here the student has to study in detail. Now the eighth chapter will be porphyrins. Porphyrin means the study of hemoglobin. Then ninth chapter will be chemistry of respiration, means biological oxidation. So here the 10th chapter is acid-base balance. Acid-base balance means the electrolytes which are present in the body. They are said to be acid-base balance. Then 11th chapter will be body fluids and electrolyte balance. So here the body fluids and electrolyte balance will be there. The 12th one is immune system and immunochemistry, and the third one is organ function test. The organs like kidney, liver and their tests to be studied. So this is the paper first for the MBBS students, and that is theory paper, which will be of 50 marks. The paper first we have seen here, and then we'll see paper second now. The second paper of theory for first year MBBS is like this. The first chapter will be bioenergetics, second digestion and absorption, third metabolism of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, purine and pyrimidines. Purine and pyrimidine, they are the nucleotides. So this is the third chapter. The fourth chapter is biochemical basis of inherited disorders and their sequelae. Fifth one is diet, the study of diet and nutrition, including vitamins, minerals. Vitamins, they are the nutrients, micronutrients. minerals, and the sixth chapter is hormones, in which the student has to study chemistry, synthesis, metabolism of hormones. Then seventh chapter is molecular biology. This is the study of gene. So you must know that molecular biology, transcription, replication. So here eighth chapter is environmental health hazards, and then ninth one is cancer, 10th one is carcinogenesis. So this is the paper second for MBBS first year. Okay, so you should understand this paper first and paper second. Now this is the only theory paper. In next video lecture I will take the practical syllabus. Okay, we will discuss about the practical syllabus in the next lecture. But student, you must know that in the first year MBBS you have 3 subjects. First one is anatomy, second one is physiology, and third one is biochemistry. So my YouTube channel belongs to the medical biochemistry series. Therefore, I have given you about the biochemistry syllabus only, not anatomy and physiology. If you want the syllabus of anatomy or physiology also, then you can comment or message on YouTube. Then I will put the syllabus for anatomy as well as physiology also. So these are the first year subject: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry for first MBBS. First paper we have discussed already, first and second paper. So friends, if you like my lecture or the discussion, you please subscribe it, share it, and you comment also. Thank you very much. Have a good day.